This is a video about how to use Excel for a mathematical purpose. In this example, we will see parabola function. In maths, a parabola is a plane curve which is mirror symmetrical. This graph represents a parabola. On the left, you can find the parabola function, and the function is y is equal to a, this is the a value, multiplied by x, you can find here a range of data for x, squared, plus b, and the b value is indeed b4. Now, to calculate the y values, we have to apply this function here. So first of all, make a click in a b7, and remember that every function starts with an equal. Look for a value, make a click, multiply by x and make a square, plus b value, and press enter. You can repeat it, equal a multiply by x, make a square, plus b value. It's not necessary to do this function one by one. Usually, you can copy that function and drag down. But take care, because in that case, you have two values, a and b values, that they are always constant. So, double click in the first function and look for the first one, b3, and insert a $sign between the letter and the number, and do the same for the b value, b$4. And now you can copy and drag down. The second example is quadratic function. It's a polynomial function with one or more variables in which the highest degree term is of the second degree. In this example, our function is z is equal to x squared plus y squared. In the column A, you can find the x values, and in the row number 5, you can find the y values. The next step is to apply this function into that table. So, first of all, make a click in B7, start with an equal, look for the x value and make a square, plus y value and make a square. If you want to copy that function, remember that in that case this is a constant, so you have to insert a $sign between b and 5. Okay, the next column is similar, make a square, plus y value, make a square, and the $sign. You have to follow the same process for the rest of the columns. The last part of this exercise is to create a graph. Select the range and look for Insert Graph. You can change the title and a lot of details about format. Thank you very much.